V-turn X200 multitasking lathes with B-axis tool spindle for done-in-one machining. With twin spindles included for highest production, this innovative model V-turn X200 is equipped with a swivel tool spindle mounted on the two-axis travelling carriage to implement the milling operation at an arbitrary angle. Done by one. Through an easy M code to switch B-axis tool spindle into T mode or M mode, V-turn X200 integrates turning and milling in one machine to avoid setup time waste dramatically and the according part reloading errors for extremely high machining efficiency and accuracy. Swivel tool spindle, B-axis, with built-in spindle, 22 kilowatts, 12,000 RPM. Roller gear mechanism, instead of worm gear mechanism, minimizes the backlash and guarantees high accuracy at an arbitrary angle. Coupling is included as standard for B-axis to clamp the swivel tool spindle at every 5-degree indexing to enhance structure rigidity and the according milling and drilling capability. Built-in spindle, motor spindle, with greased lubrication and Fanuc built-in motor, offers 22 kilowatts output at low base speed 1300 RPM. Arm-type ATC and tool magazine. Twin arm-type ATC performs quick and reliable tool changeover. 40 tool magazine is included as standard to offer sufficient tools for turning, milling and drilling. HSK T63 tooling implements milling operation and Kennametal KM63UT tooling is also available as an option. Twin direct drive spindles, DDS. Spindle motor is integrated inside the headstock to eliminate the vibrations from belt or gear drives on the conventional design. High consistent accuracy, high CPK value is guaranteed because of less vibration and no belt tension variation. Twin independently controlled spindles with lower turret double the output and cover versatile machining applications to pay off costly investment. Spindle synchronization is included as standard for quick part changeover at spindle speed up to 2500 RPM. Angular encoder is included as standard to assure high angular accuracy plus or minus 0.01 degrees, resolution 0.001 degrees for C-axis. Rigid machine structure. Roller-type LM guides support the heavy travelling carriage for tool spindle and lower turrets to ensure smooth moving for minimal variation. Servo motors are directly coupled to the ball screws for highly efficient power transfer. Only Fanuc alpha-type motors, instead of beta-type, are used for feed axes to assure quickest response for high performance. Lower turret, optional, reduces idle time during tool exchange. Lower turret not only facilitates turning features like a conventional lathe, but also reduces the idle time during the tool changeover for upper tool spindle. Lower turret offers a feasible solution to either accompany the turning with upper tool spindle on the first spindle or complete the second operation for the second spindle. Innovative 9-station turret minimizes possible uncommanded cutting by the opposite tool so as to allow more turning range. Servo-driven turret used for twin spindles features quickest tool indexing and easy maintenance. Victor Smart System VSS. Conversational interface, Victor Smart System VSS. Upper-lower machine status, part exchange between spindle. Cutting examples. Optional accessories. Detachable manual tool presetter. Renishaw MTP. Lower turret. FANUC 31I-A5 control for 5-axis simultaneous machining. Coolant through spindle, CTS. Independently controlled tailstock.